Luna Classic bounced off a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna Classic yesterday, we were testing this support level here around the 14 mark for that possible double bottom formation. We saw a beautiful bullish engulfing candle breaking above, and as of right now, we have successfully broken above these exponential moving averages and are now finding them as support. There are a few things I want to talk about, of course. Number one being the fact that we still have to wait for a strong bullish engulfing candle to possibly have a confirmation. Right now, this is exactly the same situation we saw over here, where we had a nice bounce on support, a small manipulation, and then a continued push to the downside. I am still waiting for the overall test to around the 14 mark. You can see that we haven't quite tested that support level perfectly. We only have one support test as of right now, so I would be looking to see whether or not we can have that 3-test confirmation and then the continuation to the upside. Looking at the medium-term resistance levels, of course, we'd have to get above this major level here at the 18 to 20 mark, as this has been a very big crucial support or resistance level for Luna Classic, trying to break above these levels. You can see we've seen multiple wicks to the upside and then a failure pattern continuing pushing downwards. Right now, of course, we were in the oversold territories around the 4 hours, so we did expect a bounce. As of right now, the exponential moving averages haven't really seen that control of the upside, right? We're pretty much seeing that sort of movement to the downside still. So if we do get that break of these exponential moving averages pushing lower, that would give us that confirmation that Luna Classic is still looking to test the lows and of course our overall support level here at 86. Looking at the hourly time frames for Luna Classic, you can see we did have a very nice ladder step moving forward, which I didn't mention to you guys yesterday, where Luna Classic was using these EMAs as support. But you can see as soon as we got near this crucial level here at the around 17 mark, where I mentioned in yesterday's video would be a very crucial take profit level, you can see immediately after we saw some profit taking and Luna Classic did dump back into oblivion, right? We have to be very careful, of course, because of the fact that you can see that we are now trading below these exponential moving averages, and as well as using them as a form of resistance. This usually indicates the fact that Luna Classic is done its run up to the upside. Of course, we were in the overbought territory in the hourly, so I would be expecting a pullback opportunity for that continuation to the downside because of the fact that we haven't really seen that bullish volume come in just yet. This, of course, was the fact that because we were in this oversold area on the RSI and the fact that we had multiple time frames on support for the 14, I was expecting a bullish moveset to the upside, but we're just not seeing that volume come in for the overall play on Luna Classic. Of course, this could change if we do see a nice manipulation wick trying to take control of this 22 level. And guys, I've mentioned this to you guys many times in terms of the 22 level, which is so important, is because of the fact that Luna Classic has acted as a very strong support level. You can see on previous price analysis, and we were ranging in between this level before we actually had that massive move to the downside. This is exactly what I'm expecting in terms of a bullish case scenario. If we had one, was a possible retest opportunity at 14 and then a strong bullish engulfing candle trying to take control of these overall levels here at 22. Of course, if we do see that break of that formation and of course that consolidation on the lower time frames, that would give us the confirmation that Luna Classic is looking to test our overall support on the daily at the 86 level, which you guys can see on the 4 hour looks to be ready to be tested, right? Before we had this massive breakout opportunity, we actually tested this level as resistance, but anything below this 14 level would give us the confirmation that Luna Classic is ready to test this overall support. This is also where that move pretty much started, so it only makes sense where this is where the bears pretty much take their profits, and then we see a long consolidation stage before we continue pushing the next leg up. I've mentioned this to you guys many times in many videos that although we do have a very long correction right now on Luna Classic, you can see from previous price analysis we had the same sort of formation over here. We add a huge wick to the upside, then a very long consolidation, and then the next leg up. And as of right now, we're starting, if I zoom out of the chart like this, it's starting to look like the exact same thing. We have the exact same formation, a huge leg up, a consolidation, and then the next leg up would be happening sometime within the next few months. That's ideally the patterns we're looking on Luna Classic as of right now. Of course, these would be invalidated if we did break this major support level here at 86. Then things can take a very large turn to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.